It's Monday, 5:30 in the morning, 2023. I woke up to a big commotion with all my birds in the back room and found Edith on the ground, live but incoherent. So I picked her up and brought her in my bedroom, and she started screaming out these blood skirlings like she was in a lot of pain. And she went limp, and she died right in my arms. I'm going to miss her so bad. This poor bird was a depressed bird her whole life. Even when her mate Archie was alive, she was always really a mean-spirited bird, unfriendly, sad all the time. She lost all her feathers not long after I took them on as my family, and she lost her feathers because she was having a clutch of eggs, and she used the feathers to line the nest with, and she never grew them back. I'm going to miss her really badly because me and her made strides together. Once Archie died, we became a little bit closer, and she was okay last night. She was eating, drinking. I don't know what happened. I think her ban since 2005. I'm not sure. But rest in peace, Edith. I will definitely miss you, sweetheart. Big time.